By the end of this video, you're going to know how to automate your growth on TikTok by using Claude, because they just released a brand new upgrade that now allows you to connect your Claude to TikTok. And this allows you to automate so many things like optimizing your content, coming up with new content ideas, researching stuff, and so much more. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set this up. And I'm going to share with you 5 automations that you need to get set up today. And all of these automations have helped me personally gain over 160,000 followers on TikTok in a really short period of time. Okay, so here's how we're actually going to set this up. What you want to do is you want to come over to Claude right here. You want to click on Customize on the left-hand side. And then you want to click on Connectors right here. And then you need to click on Add and Add Custom Connector. The connector that we're going to be adding is going to be the Content Buddy connector right here. So we're going to come over here and we are going to name this Content Buddy right here. And then with this URL, you want to paste in this URL. I'm going to show you where to get this in just a second. But from here, you're going to click on Add, and then it's going to have you actually log into your Content Buddy account and approve this right here. So if you haven't already, what you need to make sure that you do is come over to contentbuddy.ai. I put the link in the pinned comment below. You could get started with a free trial for this. And then what this is going to allow you to do is actually be able to come over here and access this page that they have. Then once you actually get set up, you'll be able to come over into this page right here, which actually gives you the link right here. And this literally walks you through exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to log into your favorite AI tool, like I just showed you with Claude. You're going to name it Content Buddy. You're going to paste in this URL right here. You're then going to be redirected to actually connect. And then once you're ready, this is what you're going to do. Simply just going to come back into Claude and you're going to make sure that you ask it this right here. Are you set up to Content Buddy's MCP now? And it says, yes, this is now connected. I've now got access to keyword research, trend discovery, and all of this for TikTok, which is absolutely incredible. Now, before I show you what actually prompts you can use, what automations you can set up with this, I did want to show you how to actually set up automation. So essentially, there are 2 ways for you to be able to do this. The first one is if we come over to scheduled right here, you'll be able to see that we could click on new task right here and we can create with Claude, or we could set up manually. I personally like to use set up manually, and we could come over here and say something like competitor tracking. And then if you actually come over here to the Content Buddy MCP page, they actually have all of these different prompts that you could paste directly in here. For example, let's say that we want to grab this one right here. Click on copy, come back over here, and then this says using Content Buddy's MCP, please let me know what posts are trending for my competitors on. You're going to replace platform with TikTok, and I want to know the creator, topic, link, views, date posted. And then we could choose what model this is going to use. I would go with Sonnet 5. We could come over here and have this skip all approvals, which I would strongly suggest that you do, so that this actually just goes through and does everything and doesn't ask you to approve it each time. And then we can choose when this is actually going to happen. For example, maybe we want this to happen daily at 9 a.m. Come over here, we could click save. And then what we could actually do is come over here, click on run now, and this will show you how this runs. And then look at what this actually will do every morning. You'll get this competitor TikTok trends report, and this literally goes through what posts are trending from my competitors right here. They're all going to be recent posts that have gotten a lot of views. It gives us the topic, it gives us the link, it gives us all of this. And now we get this right here and we know exactly what is doing well. This goes through exactly what topics we should post about. It even gives us scripts, descriptions, hashtags, what hooks to use. And this is all automated. So now you don't have to check what's trending in your niche. You don't have to track what your competitors are doing. This is all going to be automated for you, again, by going through and using these schedules. Or the other thing that you could do is simply actually just ask Claude to do something inside of a chat. And then once it's done, and if you actually like it, you could say something like, can you please schedule this out to automate it? I want it done at 9 a.m. every day, or something like that. And then this will actually go through and this will schedule this out for you. But it's literally this simple. You now have all of these different prompts right here. This is connected to TikTok. And now you could go through and set up all of these automations literally in like the next 60 seconds. Now, before I get into exactly what prompts I use in order to automate my TikTok growth, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Content Buddy's MCP today for free so that you could link TikTok to Claude. Now, the first automation I want to show you is how you can now actually feed TikTok posts into Claude. For example, let's say we like this post right here. I posted it 21 hours ago. You could do this with your own post. You could do this with somebody else's post. We could actually now just grab the URL to this, come over into Claude, and we can say something like, using Content Buddy's MCP, can you please remix this video. So if you come across any video that you like on TikTok, you can now come over here and you could say this to this. Again, I would recommend using Sonnet 5 for this. And now what this is actually going to be able to do is this is going to be able to actually use Content Buddy's MCP in order to remix this post for you with this link. We could see that it's going through, it's finding the tools, it's using the tools, and then this is going to give us exactly what description to use, what hashtag to use, what hook to use, and it's going to write our script for us. And you could actually mass upload a bunch of different URLs here too in order to get this to do this with a bunch of different posts. And then this is exactly what we're going to get. So here's a repurposed version of this. Now we have our hook. This is going through and this is actually writing out our script. This wrote our description. This wrote our hashtags. And this gives us a bunch of other things that we should actually do right here, which is pretty awesome. But that's just the first automation. The next automation that I wanted to show you is if we actually come back over here and we scroll up, we could see that you could also do account audits. So if we copy this right here, let's say that we come over here into Claude, we can now post this in using Content Buddy's MCP, audit my platform account page based on the results. Please recommend the priority things that I need to adjust right now. So we can come over here and we're going to replace platform with TikTok. And I actually want to come over here and I'm going to grab somebody else's TikTok page. For example, we're going to come over to Mike right here. I'm actually going to grab this TikTok. I'm going to come back over into Claude right here. And then with page, we are actually just going to paste in his page right here. And what we want to do is paste this right here. We're going to click on this arrow. And now this is going to go through using Content Buddy. This is actually going to audit his TikTok page, which is pretty incredible. While this goes off and does this, I did want to show you if we come back over here, we'll see that there's actually two of these. So we have one for auditing your account and we have another one for auditing a competitor's account and actually taking away learning. So depending on which one of these you actually use, you are going to get a different result in what you actually get back, because this one is going to tell you what you should change on your page. This one is going to assume that it's not your page, you're looking at somebody else's, and it's actually going to give you learnings that you could take away and not just focus on what you need to fix. And one of the things that I would strongly suggest that you do with an automation and a prompt like this is actually get this to go through and do this on a weekly basis. So maybe on Sundays, maybe on Mondays, maybe on Fridays, this will go through and audit your page. And basically now every week you get a check-in automatically with AI that says, hey, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to change, etc. And now check this out. This actually goes through, this looked at the page, shows us what's actually happening, which is performance is bimodal. It's either 100K plus views or under 5, almost nothing in between. Best performing format is this format right here. This right here, CTA, is the best engagement driver. And the number one post is completely off niche. Now this goes through right here. And this actually allows us to scroll through here, which is pretty cool. So this gives us things that we need to actually stop right here, different notes, things that we need to do in terms of changing our call to action, things that we need to do with diagnosing the view cliff after post number 2 and what we could actually do to fix that. Shows us how to rebuild hooks around breaking news urgency. And this goes through all these other different things that we need to change right here, which is incredible. And we could get it in this format, or we could actually tell Claude what kind of format we want this in so that we could customize it. But it doesn't stop there because we still have 3 more automations and they're only going to keep getting crazier and crazier. The next thing that we could do here is we could come over here and say something like, using the Content Buddy MCP, I want to know what is trending in my niche on TikTok. I want you to return the creator, the link to the post, the views, and the date posted. I am in the AI news niche and cover topics like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. And then this goes through and literally pulls the best posts. We could see that this went through, pulls the creator, pulls how many views it got, pulls when it was actually posted, and gives us the link right here. For example, if we come over to this post right here, we could click on watch, we could open the link, and then this is actually going to open this on TikTok so that we could see what it is. In addition to that, this actually goes through and gives us a quick read on what is actually working right here. So it goes through all the different topics. And then what's cool here is, let's say we want to recreate one of these videos. We could literally just come over here. We could click on watch if we wanted to. We could actually grab this URL and then remember what I showed you earlier. We could come over here and ask it exactly what to go through and create. In addition to that, this also went through and actually pulled these for me on Instagram. And this went through and actually created me a bunch of scripts right here, which is pretty awesome. But again, you could get this to actually find exactly what it's doing well. Or maybe we wanted to come over here and we wanted to know what keywords were doing really well in our niche. What we could do is we could come over here and we could say, using Content Buddy's MCP, please let me know what search terms people in my niche are searching for. In addition, let me know what posts are trending under those search terms. My niche is skincare. And then this is going to go off using the MCP. It's going to figure out exactly what your audience is searching for. It's then going to actually go one step deeper, look at those different searches, and tell you exactly what is trending under there. And in the past, this would have taken you a long time to do, but now it doesn't have to. So we could see that we could choose that we want this to happen for TikTok right here. And this is now going to go through and actually do this. And by the way, that right there is exactly one of the reasons that I would strongly suggest that you copy and paste the prompts from Content Buddy over here, because these are actually set up so that they are going to work and there won't be any additional questions from Claude unless you didn't turn on that permissions feature earlier, in which case it's going to want you to give it permission for each thing. But we could see right here that there are automations around keyword research, around finding trends for specific keywords, around your competitors, around getting page, channel, and audit insights, and around remixing content. So this literally allows you to automate so many different things, and they're going to be updating this almost every day with new automations. And now look, just like this goes through exactly what keywords are doing the best inside of here, exactly how many people are searching for it, what the competition score is, and this goes through a bunch of different long tail keywords. And look at this. This now literally goes through and tells us what creators are trending under here, who's actually doing a really good job, and it goes through all of these different topics that were topics that people were actually searching for. And this is incredible. And let's say that we wanted to see the links to these because it didn't give it to us. We could say, can you give me the links to the trending posts? And this will actually go through, grab those links, give them to you so that you can recreate any of these that you want. You can save them for later and so much more. And then again, let's look at this video right here, 370,000 views under skincare routine. If we click on open link right here, let's say that we like this, we can now come over here and we can say, grab this link right here, copy this and say, using Content Buddy's MCP, please remix this video. And then this will go through and remix the video for us so that we know exactly what we need to do in order to recreate it. And now look, we've got the hook, we've got the script, the description, the hashtags, all of that. Now, one thing that I did want to warn you about, if we actually come over here, we could see this competitor stuff right here. If you are going to get Claude to actually do things with your competitors, you need to make sure that you've got that set up. Now, in order to do that, what you're going to want to do is you want to come over to your dashboard right here, come under TikTok. We're going to come over to competitor tracker. And this is where you're actually going to be able to add in all of your different competitors that Claude will then be able to access. If you don't have this set up, Claude won't be able to do any of those different prompts because it'll just be pulling your competitors or trying to pull your competitors, and it won't actually be pulling anything in. So please, if you want to automate things around your competitors, make sure that this is filled out. Makes it incredibly easy to view all posts, find breakout videos, and with Content Buddy, you also get access to so many other things like the ability to discover competitors, the ability to predict your views, the ability to find exactly what music is trending, and so many other things that allow you to create things like carousels, thumbnails. There's so much that you could do with this tool outside from connecting it to Claude and then allowing you to allow Claude to be able to access TikTok so that you could grow faster, get more views, and ultimately get monetized on TikTok. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn how to use AI to gain 1,000 followers on TikTok as fast as possible, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how to do that. I'll see you over there.